In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the process of applying for the Paycheck Protection Program, otherwise known as PPP, using QuickBooks. This can be a crucial step for many small businesses, especially during challenging economic times when securing a loan can provide much-needed financial relief. So let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to QuickBooks. You can do this by opening up your web browser and typing in the URL to go directly to the QuickBooks homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice an interface filled with many options. But what we're looking for is something specific. We need to locate and click on the section labeled Lending and Banking. This feature is designed to streamline your access to financial solutions, and it's conveniently placed to make your navigation as smooth as possible. Once you've clicked on Lending and Banking, your next step is to find and select the PPP Center. It's an area specifically crafted for handling loan-related matters regarding the Paycheck Protection Program. This section is meticulously organized to provide you with all the resources and guidance you need to successfully complete your loan application. Now, for some context as to why this is important. With QuickBooks, all this information is integrated so you can easily manage your finances in one place. By organizing it this way, QuickBooks ensures that the application process is not just straightforward but also holistic, connecting your current financial data with the potential for accessing financial support. Here's a handy tip while navigating. Always make sure your QuickBooks is updated with the latest financial data from your business. This real-time information is critical not just for an accurate loan application, but also for ongoing financial management. Double-check your entries to avoid any discrepancies that could delay or jeopardize your loan application process. Another point to note is the handy imagery QuickBooks provides within the PPP Center. These visuals are great reference tools. They guide you through completing each section of the application, offering clarity and additional support as needed. Take time to familiarize yourself with these visuals. They're designed to minimize mistakes and streamline your overall experience. Remember, the assistance QuickBooks provides is there to be utilized to its fullest extent. Don't hesitate to explore the details and resources available, and if needed, leverage customer support for any questions or clarifications you might have. This entire setup is intended to remove the complexity of financial management, allowing you to focus more on growing your business with confidence. So, there you have it, a straightforward path to applying for PPP loans using QuickBooks. This approach ensures your application is well prepared, timely, and accurately reflects your financial state. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your application process clearer and more efficient.